Hi everyone, my name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with an offer. I have been making and creating these jewelry. I'm a jewelry slash handbag slash creator. I make and create different things. I started making and creating jewelry back in 2004. Me and my daughter was 9 at the time, and she came to me with a decision for us to start making and creating handbags. Well, it went from making and creating handbags to a full business, which is my business is Lajoytra Creations. I made a decision to start a Facebook group teaching people how to make and create my pieces. I also have a YouTube page for those of you who may be interested in this offer. You can go to Joyce McTeer. I am on YouTube and I have over 300 DIY videos that you can go and watch and learn how to make something different. I came up with this decision to do this because there are a lot of people who are looking for something different. Have you ever noticed that when you're out shopping and you'll just sometimes you're just looking for that one different special design? Well, I make and create different things constantly all the time. So I'm offering those of you who are interested to join me in my group called Designs by Lajoytra. There in the group, you will get 5 designs per month for $30 per month, and you can cancel at any time. Yes, I said it. After 30 days, once you've gotten your 5 classes, if you don't want to go any further, you can cancel at any given time. So if for those of you who want to join me, please reach out to me at lajoytradesigns@yahoo.com. I also want to tell you that I make jewelry out of many different things. I use wood, fabric, aluminum wire, so many different things. And I'm constantly making more different designs. So like I said, if you're interested in this, you get 5 designs for $30 a month. You can cancel after the first month. You can cancel. I'm going to be constantly uploading videos in this group called Designs by Lajoytra. So if you would love to be on this journey with me, please shoot me an email at lajoytra22designs@yahoo.com. And for those of you who are interested in being on this journey with me, please wait until the end of this video so that you can see pictures. I will leave a link of my YouTube channel and also a link to my Lajoytra Creations page. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day.